is revealed to us.
Pinky!
Tell us about the map! Why can't you?
No! It's Pinky. He's in terrible danger.
I got it! You're done for.
No!
You just try it.
Set course for Lama Rama! Lama Rama's fantasy!
No.
That's where we slip in.
What if the door is locked?
You and Rosa will pose as a rich German merchant and his wife.
Married?
Do you have a problem with that?
Not a problem for me.
Surprisingly good work.
We're going to die, Pinky! Never give up!
Woo! And who are these people? I am Lord Fandango of Sauerkraut.
Party tricks!